Guys, back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can use the text template in CapCut PC. So if you want to add text but you want to use the text template, you can also use it on the CapCut PC. So what you need to do is just go to text first, and in here there will be text templates options. Click on that. Okay, so text template, there are so many options that you can choose. I'm going to just use the trending text template. For example, I want to use, okay, this one. So just click on this arrow down to download the text template first. And then click on the plus icon to add it to your clips. You can see the text template is now added, and to edit the text, you can just go to here, click on this. You just need to type in the text that you want. For example, like that. And here you can also adjust the scale and also the size and the position. You can just drag it like this to adjust its position. And there are also spacing. You can adjust the alignment and also the spacing in here, and you can also edit effects if you want. Okay, let's see the result first. Okay, you can see the text template will be appear to your clips. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there. And also remember to leave a comment and click on the thanks button. Bye.